Hi guys, Miss Diorio from Citizenship Academy here with lesson 6 in module 4. So for today, we're going to use our place value charts and our place value discs to learn about bundling groups of 10 and changing them into bundling groups of 1 and changing them into tens. Okay, so we're going to be adding 2-digit numbers. It's going to be fun. So for this lesson, you're going to need something to write with, something to write on. As usual, for our application problem, you're going to need your place value chart, hundreds, tens, ones. And then you're going to need whatever you've been using for your place value discs. I'm going to use some Cheerios today. But go ahead and grab those things. Make your place value chart. Come back when you're ready. All right, here we go. Today, we're going to start by reviewing our doubles plus 1 facts, okay? So, for example, I say 5 plus 6. You're going to change that into a doubles plus 1 fact by saying 5 plus 5 is 1, okay? So, you're just going to tell me that number sentence. So, 4 plus 5. Tell me the doubles plus 1 fact. What would that be? 4 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, good job. We got 9. Awesome. Let's try another one. 8 plus 7. What would our doubles plus 1 fact be? Good. 7 plus 7 plus 1. And that is 15. Very good. Let's try again. 4 plus 3. What would our number sentence be? Good job. 3 plus 3 plus 1. And our answer is 7. Awesome. All right. 8 plus 9. What would our number sentence be? Our doubles plus 1 number sentence. 8 plus 8 plus 1. Awesome. And that equals, think of your doubles facts. 17. Very good. 7 plus 6. What is our number sentence going to be? Very good. 6 plus 6 plus 1. And our answer is 13. Awesome. 10 plus 11. Ooh, we're getting bigger. Still doing doubles plus 1 though. What would our number sentence be? 10 plus 10 plus 1. Good. And what's our answer? Think of your doubles plus fact plus the 1 more. 21. Very good. All right. Now we're going to practice breaking numbers down to the say 10 way. So when I say 46, you say 4, 10, 6. If I say 57, you say 5, 10, 7. Good. Remember, it's different from unit form. We're just going to say the say 10 way. So we say the tens and then the extra ones. So 57 is 5 tens 7. Try 78. 7 tens 8. Awesome job. 100. Now, remember when we do the say 10 way, we don't say hundreds. We're just doing tens. So think about how many tens are in 100. Yeah, 10 tens. Awesome. All right, use this example to help you with this one. 113. Remember, we're not going to say hundreds. We're going to use tens. How many tens and how many extra ones in 113? Very good. 11 tens 3. Your 11 tens are here, plus your 3 extra ones. 11 tens equals 110, but we're not doing hundreds, remember, just the tens. All right, try this one. 103. Say it the say 10 way. 10 tens 3. Awesome work. 127. How many tens, how many ones? Say it the say 10 way. 12 tens 7. Here's your 12 tens, which equals 120. 100, 2 tens, 12 tens, 7. Awesome job. 137. Use what you know here to help you with 137. How would we say this the say 10 way? 13, 10, 7. Awesome. 143. How would we say this the say 10 way? 14, 10, 3. Awesome job. 163. 16 times 3, you got it. Good job. 188. Use that same pattern. 18 times 8. Awesome job. All right, 200. Remember, don't tell me how many hundreds. Tell me how many tens. 20 tens. Excellent. All right, let's get into our application problem. Let's get out your paper and pencil, and let's get into it. Mr. Wally's class collects 36 cans for the recycling program. Then Asnev brings in 8 more cans. How many cans does the class have now? Don't solve yet. Just like we did with our lesson yesterday on word problems, I want you to pause, talk to someone at home about what this problem is asking and how we can solve. Don't solve yet. Think about what the problem is asking and how you can solve. Talk to someone, pause, come back when you're ready. Good. I love talking through word problems because it gets us thinking and it gets us in the right mindset to solve the right way, because we don't want to mess this up, because then we're just all screwed up and we don't want that. So Mr. Wally's class collects 36 cans. Then Asnev brings in 8 more cans. So what are we going to do with those two numbers? Add them up. Awesome. So we're going to do 36 plus 8. You can solve using the number bond method or the arrow method. Pause, solve now. Got it? Let's go over it. So I'm going to use the number bond way. And I know that 36 needs 4 more to get to the next 10. So I'm going to break down this 8 into 2 groups of 4, because that'll make it easier for me to add. So I'm going to add 36 plus 4. That's going to get me to our next 10 of 40. Add in those extra 4, we get 44. What does the 44 mean, though? 44 cans. Very good. Okay, so don't do anything yet, but we're going to, like I said at the beginning, we're going to practice adding 2-digit numbers, and we're going to practice bundling, making groups of 10. So on my screen right now, I have 35. I have 3 tens, 5 ones. What I want to do is add 5 more ones to this. So I'm going to add 5 ones. Okay. What happens now? Pause, talk to someone at home about what I can do now. Very good. I have 10 ones, so I can bundle those together, clear them off my board, and move them to the tens place. I can clear off those 10 ones, bundle them, say bye-bye 10 ones, and put another 10 in my tens column. So ones are gone. Those equal 110. I'm moving a 10 over. So how many tens do I have now? 4. Very good. Do I have any ones? So how could I say this the say 10 way? How could I say 35 plus 5 equals the say 10 way? 4 tens. Awesome job. Okay, so now I want you to try it. Get out your place value chart and your place value discs from home, and I want you to show 35 on your chart. So pause and do that now. Got it? Okay. Now I want you to add 6 ones. Okay, so you should now have 11 ones in your ones place. Pause, add 6 ones. Good? Okay, so now we have 11 ones in that ones place, right? Do we want to have 11 ones in that ones place? Is that easy for our brains to understand? No, right? So we're going to bundle 10 of those ones. We're going to slide them off, and we're going to bring a 10 over. So I'm going to take 10 ones away, and I should have 1 1 left, and I bring my 10 over. So do that now. Pause and do that now. And your board should look like this, right? How many 10s do we have now? 4 10s. Good. How many 1s do we have? 1. Good. When you bundle a 10, make sure you don't take all of the ones. Make sure you only take 10 ones. Because if we take all of them, then our math will not work out. Make sure you only take 10 and move over only 10. So you should have 1 left over. And how would we say this number the say 10 way? 4 10s, 1. Awesome work. All right. Go ahead and show 35 on your chart again. Clear off the 4 10s, 1. Show 35 on your chart. Pause and do that now. Good. Now, we're going to add 26. So keep the 35 on there, add 26. Pause, add 26. Okay. Don't add 26 1s. You're going to add 2 10s plus 6 extra 1s. If you added the 26 1s, start over. Start with 35. And then you're going to add 26. When we're adding like this, make sure you're separating it in between 10s and 1s because it's going to make it easier for you. So we're at 26, and we're at 35. I want you to add 2 10s, 6 1s. That's 26. Okay? Now, take 10 1s away, slide them over, and add another 10. Make another 10. So do that now on your own. Pause and do that now. So your board should look like this. We're going to take 10 of these 1s away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to get them off and add a 10. So how many 10s do we have now? We have 6, right? How many 1s do we have? Just 1. So 25 plus 36 equals what? 6 10s 1 or 61. So another little tip for when you're doing this, so that it's easy for you to see groups of 10, is to line them up in 5 groups. See how I have 2 groups of 5 here? It's easy for me to see that that is 10. So when you start lining them up on your chart, do them in 5 groups so it's easier for you to see. All right, clear your boards. Let's do another one. Show me 48 on your chart. Pause and do that now. 48. Now, add 37 to this. Remember, you're not adding 37 1s, add your 10s and your 1s separate. So pause, add 37 to your chart. Good? All right, I'm going to do it. 37. See how I'm doing those 5 groups there? Okay, now we're going to move 10 over to make a new 10. Pause and do that now. Okay, so I'm going to move these 10 over. I see 2 groups of 5. That's a group of 10. I'm going to move them over and add another 10 chip. Your board should look like this. How many 10s do we have? 8. Very good. And how many 1s? 5. Good. So 48 plus 37 is, say it the say 10 way, 8 10s 5. Awesome job. 48 plus 37, that's a crazy 2 numbers to just add, but you just did it, just like that. So excellent job. Let's do one more. Clear your board. Show me 74 on your place value chart. Pause, show me 74 on your place value chart. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 74. Good. Awesome. All right, now you're going to add 19 to that. Remember, don't add 19 once. Add your 10s and your 1s. Add 19. Good. I'm going to do it too. 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 1s. Okay. Now, move 10 1s over to make a new 10. Pause. Do that now. Okay, your board should look like this. How many 10s do we have? 9. Very good. And how many 1s? 3. Perfect. So 74 plus 19 is... 9 10s 3. Excellent job. All right. So all you're going to do for your exit ticket today is make sure you have your place value chart with you, and you're just going to add these numbers, just like we just did. So you're going to make, for example, number 1, you're going to make 53 on your place value chart. You're going to add the 19. You're going to scoop up a group of 10, move your 10s over, and then you're going to type in the answer right here. You're going to do that for each one. I want you to practice bundling the 10 and moving them to the 10s place, moving a 10 in its place. Okay, so practice all of these with your place value chart. There are 5 of them. Do them all on there. You're good to go. Excellent job today, and I'll see you tomorrow.